LNJ Travelites. This is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for UK Standard Visitor Visa. You apply for a Standard Visitor Visa, then you still have to scroll down till you see Apply Now. Yes, click on Apply Now. It takes you to another page where you select your language. Then you click on Next. Then it says select country of biometrics. If you are in Nigeria, choose Nigeria or any country where you're having your biometrics. Click on Next. Then check availability for visa application, Nigeria. So you have identified your location. Click on Next. Then you read all these instructions before you start. Once you understand, click on Start Now. So register your email, put your email address and put the password. This email address is what you use to get response on your visa decision. So just put the email address, put the password, make sure the email address is correct and the password is correct. Yes, so repeat your password and make sure it is correct. UK visa needs, you can see that part, you have to confirm it. You can see, yes, I have to edit something there. Once there is a mistake, it will redirect you. Save and continue. So they want to contact you by email. So is the email for you? Yes. If for someone else, indicates. Save and continue. If you have an additional email, kindly add it. If not, choose no. Save and continue. Then put your telephone number. They can also call you in case of any interview or question or your visa or passport delivery. So put your right phone number, the one that is active. How do you use it while you're in the UK? When you're outside the UK, then it's a mobile telephone number. Then save. If you have any other phone number, add it. Save and continue. Can you be contacted by telephone and text message? Click yes. So put your name, your first name and your middle name, then your family name. Put your first name, Ajanle Koko, middle name, Muiz, then your family name, whatever it is. Ajagbemo Keferi. So save and continue. So if you have any other name, right? If not, just choose no. Choose your gender, male, female, your marital status. Save and continue. Your home address. This must be correct also. Put your home address. Your town, where you are. Postal code, if you know, put it. The state, put it if you have it. So there was an error there. So Lagos needs to be under state, then country is Nigeria. Then you choose Nigeria. Save and continue. So how long have you been living in that house? You have to put, if you are living in a rented apartment below 2 years, you'll be requested to add your previous address. So put your passport number. You get that from your international passports. Is at the upper right side. It usually starts with B or A, depending on the year you got your passport. Issuing authority is always Nigeria. So there are locations too. It can be Alausa, it can be Ikoyi, it can be anywhere. So the dates the international passport was issued, you see it beneath your data. Yes, so it's either 5 years or 10 years. put the date, save and continue. Your identity card, if you have NIN, you put it. If you don't have, you don't put it. But I think almost everybody has. So for the sake of this training, I didn't add anyone, but please kindly add yours. So your nationality, choose your country where you were born, country of birth. This person was born in Nigeria. Place of birth, this person was born in Ogun State. Add your own. Then your date of birth. Put your date of birth. Yes. Save and continue. So always make sure that the data you input, they are well documented. If not, it will take you back. And network can always be an issue. So even if it takes you back, just fill it again and continue. If you have other nationality, choose. If not, click on no. Your employment status, are you employed? Are you self-employed? Are you a student? Are you retired or unemployed? Choose whatever category. Save and continue. So this man is self-employed. He's an entrepreneur, or you call it a business person, entrepreneur. So how much do you earn from this job in a year? So you must know how much you earn from your job. You can either put it in pounds or in naira. How much you earn from your job in a year. That is your salary times 12. That's how you get that one. So you go ahead, save and continue. So if you have any income or savings, you click. If not, click I do not have any income. So about the cost of your visits. How much money are you personally planning to spend on your visit to the UK? How much are you going to spend? How much is that trip going to cost you? Put it there. Save and continue. What is the total amount of money you spend each month? Your daily expenses. How much does it cost in a month? You put it, save and continue. Who is paying for your visits? Are you being sponsored? This is where you answer that question. So this man is not being sponsored. So it's no. If you are being sponsored, choose yes. So your planned travel information. So when do you plan to arrive in the UK? Put your dates. Put your exit date. So when you plan to leave the UK. Save and continue. So spoken language preference, English or other, choose your choice. Save, continue. What's the purpose of your visit? Is it tourism? Is it business? Is it transit? Are you passing through the UK? Is it academic visit? So choose one. This man, or if it is order, you choose order. Save and continue. Main reason is tourists. Save. Details of your, so now write details of why you are traveling. Put it here. Why are you going to the UK? You have to write it here. So just for the sake of this video, I just will be going on my annual vacation and I would like to visit the UK. Save and continue. Do you have people who are dependent on you? Yes or no? You choose, give details about your parents, your mother and your father. So you fill all of this information. If you don't have the information, click I don't have my parents' details. Then save and continue. So family who lives in the UK. Do you have any family in the UK? You choose your answer, yes or no. Yeah. Are you traveling as a part? Answer the question. So it's either yes or no. Just keep answering yes or no. Choose yes or no. So your accommodation in the UK, you put the name of the hotel, or if you are staying with family and friend, put the address, the name of the hotel, or the name of the person you are staying with, then the address. So for the sake of this video, I just put something. You put postal code, you put town, you put postal code, then you move. So they want to know when you will arrive at the UK, your arrival dates at the hotel. So it should be your arrival dates. You put the information, the day, month, and year, and when you'll be leaving the hotel or wherever you are staying. The information is important. Then save and continue. If you are staying in any other place, click. If not, click yes or click no. If you've been to the UK in the past 10 years, answer the question. If you've been to any of this country in the past 10 years, answer the question. So your what travel history, where have you traveled to? Your travel history is what you're going to add here. So list it out. If you've not been to any country aside your country, just click on no. But this one has been to 1 or 2 countries, so we put the details here. Make sure you get these details right if you've actually traveled before. There is record of everything, so make sure you know the exit date and the entry dates. So no matter the number of places you have been to, just input. If not, just click on no. Then immigration history. Have you ever been refused a visa before? So you pick yes. If yes, if no, click on no. What's happened? Now, this one for you to just explain what happened. The name of the country where you were refused a visa. Does not necessarily have to be the UK, but if it's the UK, put it there. Put the month and year. Now you can see that the country I put did not register, so it's going to take me back. So give me details of what happened. So then I realized the country I chose didn't show, so I went back to put it. Yes, so USA. So the consular found me ineligible. So this person was denied USA visa. Like I said, doesn't necessarily have to be the UK, any country at all. Any other immigration problem, if it's yes, put it. Breach of UK immigration law, this one read and be clicking yes or no, yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. That is how you fill that part. Make sure you are being sincere and clicking yes or no. So answer all of those parts. Then the last part, if you have any further information, write. If not, click. Then you can preview before you go to. Yes, okay, so that is, you have to do a preview, like you want to edit. If there was an error, just review your form. You can see change by the right hand side. That is where you click to edit anything. If you see that the form is okay, there is no mistake, then you continue. If not, you edit it, you edit the information, save and continue. Then it takes you to documentation, tell you what and what you should submit. You click, you save and continue. Then you go to your declaration, you click whatever is there, you make your payments, and that is it about UK form. So this brings us to the end of this video. This is how to apply for UK visitor visa. For your visa processing questions or inquiry, reach out to Njetours on the number below.